was inadvertent. $1 million is inadvertent.
Well, Maria, thank you for passing on that hit piece on the front page of the New York Times. You know, the nice thing about the mainstream media, they don't hide their views. The New York Times a few weeks back had a columnist who wrote a column saying anybody but Cruz. And that same columnist wrote a column comparing me to an evil demonic spirit from the movie It Follows that jumped